I'm going to show you how you can download inZOI, which is the new trending popular game. It's a life simulation game and some people say it's even better than Sims. So they have just released it, and to install it all you need to do is go to Steam. If you don't have it already, you can download it for free. And once you are here, you need to go to the search text field and search for inZOI. So you will see it appears right here. Right now it's on early access, but you can still play it. So if you scroll down to the bottom, you will see the button to get inZOI. So you just add it to your card like this, view my card, and here you need to continue to payment and select the payment method you want. So there are a lot of different payment methods you can choose. In this case, I will use the credit card, and I also have some Steam wallet balance, so it will use both. Now you just need to scroll down to the button on purchase and wait a few seconds until it completes the payment. Now you will see this option to install the content, so just click right there and select the drive where you want to install this game. In my case, it will be this one. Click on install, accept the agreement right here, and you will see the download. So if you click right here at the bottom, you will see the details of the download and you will see the estimated time remaining. So after it ends, there will be a button to play and you can just start playing inZOI right now. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.